If you see smoke at car meets, it could either be bubblegum or head gasket. Either way, my name is Anthony Rubio. I'm the co-founder of Desert Octane. Here's my 2005 Subaru WRX. So I acquired my Subaru WRX about a year ago, and it's come equipped with a lot of things prior to me buying it. Tgv Deletes, which are used to basically have more flow to the heads. The heads themselves have come ported and polished. It now has ARP head studs, cosmetic head gasket, Wiseco pistons, rods, which basically just to kind of help the motor last a little bit longer than usual, because I don't really want to replace the motor every 15,000 miles. It's come with a front mount intercooler for better cooling. We live in Arizona and things get really hot here and things heat soak, which put a damper on performance. So that's why, opposed to the top mount intercooler, which doesn't get as much flow, we went with the front mount intercooler, which is a treadstone. The car came with NVIDIA exhaust, and it backfires sometimes. And we actually blew off the silencer coming from dinner one night, and it now has a screw in the exhaust that I have to get out. The car came automatic. We bought it for $2,200 from a guy who was going bankrupt, so we got it for a really good steal. The plan for it, it's going to get a 6-speed manual transmission. The headlights are obviously going to be built, as well as the taillights, and it's in Java Black, which is kind of like a really nice color to get Subarus. A lot of people say it resembles spun bearing oil, which it kind of does. It also has black niche wheels. The brake pistons themselves are painted gold. We will be upgrading the Brembo brakes. Basically, we're going to try to make it a nice track monster. Right now it's my A to B car, just a daily driver. I switch off from my truck to this car, just depending on where I'm going. If I want to have a little bit more fun, I'll take the Subaru. If I'm going to work or anything that will require hauling, I'll take the truck. But mostly I take the Subaru. It's been in a front end collision, so a lot of things have been replaced, and it's all OEM. We're going to be adding coilovers. Not sure what brand to go with yet. Just kind of wanting something to not really slam it, but improve the handling. Obviously get it lower, get rid of that rally car wheel gap. And kind of just go from there. We'll eventually get more suspension components as we go on, just to see what kind of fine tunes this car to do time attack, to autocross, whatever we name it. We'll probably do drag too. If you guys remember back quite a few videos ago, we had a blue Subaru that we were working on. Things didn't pan out the way we wanted it to, so it just made getting this black one a lot more like hungry for it. Basically, we have a lot of hope for this car, a lot of plans for this car. It's going to be in a lot more videos. We're going to do how-tos, we're going to do general maintenance, we're going to do sound clips, reviews, everything you name it. We're also going to be testing a lot of products that we're going to come out with on this car. We're all excited about it. It's a very cool car. It's the first Subaru in our fleet that we have, and we're just gonna pretty much go from there. I would say look forward to a lot of future videos of it, as well as many of our other cars, including the Dart and our GTIs and our trucks. And that's basically what we have for you guys this video, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. If you can, please like, share, and subscribe to help us out. And we're also doing a Headlight credit giveaway. After 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away $500 towards a headlight build, whether that be a whole new headlight set or building your set. If you could like and share and subscribe once again, spread the word, help us get to that giveaway quicker. We want to get it to you guys. My name is Anthony Rubio. I'm with Desert Octane. This is us signing off. Have a nice day.